Hey, what's going on guys, Ross here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find highly profitable ClickBank offers that you can promote without a website and with free traffic. I'm going to be sharing with you a special underground website today with you that will help us double and even triple our money with ClickBank. And as always, this is going to be a step-by-step video tutorial in which you're going to see every step of the journey, plus how we drive free traffic, millions of visits to these offers. So step number one is to hit that like button down below this video, because if you don't do so, my girlfriend will leave me. No, I'm kidding, she already left me. No, seriously, now let's go back to the steps. Step number one to find highly profitable ClickBank offers is to actually go to a website called cvsnooper.com. This is a free software that will give us data about ClickBank offers, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. This is a very handy software. I'm not promoting it, I'm just using it because it's pretty cool, and again, it's free. So we can see all the offers from ClickBank here. And for example, let's go with the top 5 ClickBank products. So we're going to click FB Tonic, let's say, for example. So we can see all bunch of statistics. But when I go to ClickBank and I click Marketplace right here, open this on a new tab, and then I click the magnifier glass to see all the products, I don't see any stats. I just see the number per conversion, the amount of money I'm going to get, some icons here, and that's it. I don't see any historical data, and this is what we need to be successful with ClickBank. We need historical data to see how this product or offer has been performing in the past and how it is going. So let's go back to CV Spooner so I can show you what I mean by that. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, this is the product here. In ClickBank, this is the product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, but here I don't see any stats. I just see the product and that's it. But when I go to CB Spooner, I can see the gravity is actually falling down, as you can see, for the past 30 days. And this is what we need. We need historical data to tell us if this product is worth promoting. So it seems like this product is failing. It is still strong. It's still 500 of gravity score, but it is going down. This is what we don't want to see. So let's go to the reports here at the top. So I'm going to show something that I always choose. Let's click reports. And here you can find a whole bunch of categories. New products on ClickBank, top products on ClickBank, peaking products, hot products, rising products, and failing products. So this can really give you a prediction on what offers you should and you should not promote. But my favorite category among all of these is the last one, recurring products. Let's click that and I'm going to show you what I mean. This category will make you the most amount of money. Why? Because it is recurring. That means when you make a sale every month, you're going to make free money because of the recurring billing the offer has. So for example, let's go to Master Wonk, whatever this is, Soulmate. We can see some data, the overall rank of the product. We can see the gravity is actually going up a bit, a notch, I would say. Then what we can see is the average per sale is $12, which is not that much, and the initial earning per sale is $11. We can see here the gravity is actually green. It is going up, and we can see that by this graph right here as well, but also the earnings. So this is what is the most important. We can earn $12 per sale, but also recurring revenue is $2 a month or a week. It depends on the weekly subscription or the monthly subscription this offer has. So this is what is the most important thing. So let's go back and find another product or offer which will bring us more money. So let's go back and try to find new Astro Tarot. I've been showing you this on my channel. So we can see that this, even though it says overall rank is falling down and the gravity is falling down, it's since yesterday. But since the entire month, we can see that is actually growing in gravity. This offer, the Astro Tarot, this one. And also what we can see is the earnings, $28 per initial sale, and then the recurring is $31, which is pretty good for a recurring product. Basically, these are free money for you without doing any promotions. You just drive the sale once and then you receive this money as free subscription or recurring billing. So let's go back to recurring products again, and I'm going to pick a product which is very close related to the one that I promote and my students promote. And I can't show you the exact offers that we promote because my paid students and I are promoting these offers, and if I show it to YouTube, I'm going to flood the offers, and it's not fair to my paid students because they paid me money to show them the actual offers. But I'm going to pick a very close offer to the one that we have. So anyways, let's go with the get paid to use Facebook and Twitter offer. So I'm gonna click that, and here what we can see is the gravity is 108, and the actual gravity is going up in time, which tells us that this product is actually getting traction and it's getting popular. What is the other important thing is the recurring money. $51. It's actually again more than initial sale. So $51 every month or every week or whatever, like I said, the subscription model to this offer is, you're going to receive that for free. So the next step you need to do is go over to the top and highlight the entire title. So I'm gonna highlight get paid to use Facebook. So copy this, go back to ClickBank, and in the search box right here, paste this title, and I'm gonna click search. So let's zoom out, and what we can see here is the offer. And now what we need to do is go to the affiliate page. So this is the affiliate page, open link on a new tab. And now that we know this offer is going up, we know that this offer has a recurring billing, so we can make passive income with this offer. What we need to do is scroll down to the bottom where we have different creatives, marketing materials that will help us promote this offer. And I told you we're going to promote this without a website, with a special to another website that I'm going to show you. So what we need to do is, you see they have videos. These are free videos we can use. So let's download the second one. Click here to download this video. There we go. It's kind of a news report about how to make money with Twitter, Facebook, and all of the other. So let's pause this. I'm going to click these three dots and I'm going to click download. And I'm going to download this video on my computer. So click save here. Next step is open this special website. I've shown this in my last video, so I'm going to show it again. The website is called BitChute.com. This is a video website such as YouTube, but it is very underground website. And if I click my similar web extension right here, we can see that this website, BitChute.com, is getting 43 million visits a month. 43 million people. So you can be exposed to these many million people for free, because this is a very underground website, but as we can see, it gets millions of visits every month. This is going to be our free traffic source. What we need to do here is sign up for an account. If you don't have an account with this website, it's very straightforward, just email, password, etc. And after you have signed up, click this icon to upload a new video. So click that, and in here what we need to do is just click this button, upload a video, and simply re-upload this video. And yes, we're just going to re-upload videos. So let's click open. We're going to be re-uploading this video and making money with ClickBank. So the video is uploaded. Now the video title and the description are very important because they are actually going to be our SEO. They should be filled with keywords. And so let's go back to ClickBank so we can get some description here, so we can get some keywords. Let's go back to the offer, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And I'm gonna click promote, this button, and I'm gonna click generate hop link. So this is going to be my unique hop link from ClickBank. And I'm gonna highlight the entire link, and I'm gonna right click and click copy. And every time I send traffic to this link and people sign up, I'm going to get paid. But this time I'm going to just open this on a new tab. I'm gonna paste this link so we can see the actual offer. This is the landing page, and it says online social media jobs that pay 25 to 50 bucks per hour, no experience required, work at home. Take 1 minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Click start the quiz below. Okay, so I like all of that, so I'm gonna actually copy the entire text right here. I'm gonna go back to BitChute. In the description here, I'm going to paste everything like this. And where it says click start quiz below, I'm going to move that on a new line. And for the video title, I'm gonna go back to the ClickBank offer, and I'm going to highlight this, the actual title of the offer, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. I'm gonna click copy. I'm gonna go back to the video uploader, and I'm going to paste this as a title. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, what I recommend is spin the text a little bit. Don't use the same sentences and words. Just I can say how to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, or I can even say this is how to earn money while chatting in Facebook with your friends or something like that. You see, it's gotta be catchy. So there you go. This is how to earn money while chatting on Facebook with your friends. With your friends. There we go. Something like that, with your friends. And then we want the content sensitivity to be normal. And last step, but not least, here is we have to provide link. So people should have a link in our description where they're going to click, and this is going to be our affiliate link. So let's go back to ClickBank, click the promote button again, generate hop link, and copy your link again. But this time, instead of pasting it like that raw, because this is called a raw affiliate link, we want to make it pleasant to the eye. So what we need to do, go over to bit.ly.com, bit.ly.com, and in this box, paste your affiliate link from ClickBank and click shorten. And now this is your shortened link, and I'm going to click copy. The link is now copied. Go back to BitChute right here, and where it says click to start the quiz, and I'm going to actually rename that to click to start the quiz. And I'm going to paste this bit.ly link. So paste that, and I'm going to say click here to start the quiz. Okay, so now our affiliate link is in the description of our video. The video is almost ready to be uploaded. The last thing is we need a cover picture of this video. So for that reason, for that purpose, we're going to go back here to the actual video, and I want to find a kind of nice picture so I can take a screenshot. So I like this one, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger, or maybe not that big, and I'm going to take a screenshot on my computer by holding Shift, Command, and 5. And if you don't have a tool to take screenshots, you can just Google free screenshots on Google, and you can download a screenshot for free, a tool that will take screenshots. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click capture. So there we go. This is my screenshot, and this is going to be my thumbnail. Of course, you can work on the thumbnail more to make it more attractive, more pleasant to the eye. So the more attractive the thumbnail is, the more clicks you're going to bring. So I'm going to click done, come back here, and I'm going to say upload a cover right here. And I'm going to upload the picture I just took with my screenshot tool. Boom, there we go. And what we need to do last thing is click publish now, and now click finish. All right, perfect. Now our video is processing right now, and it's going to take some time before it's processed, but we can see when people see this video on the platform, the BitChute platform, they can see in our description we have an affiliate link. Click here to start the quiz, and when they click this link, which is our affiliate link, guess what? They're going to be redirected right here. This is the ClickBank offer, or so-called the ClickBank hop link. Now, of course, it's going to take time for your video to rank on BitChute. You can upload multiple videos to have a better chance of people noticing your videos and your videos getting viral. But again, possibilities are endless on this platform because it's not so saturated like YouTube and other platforms. And in my last video, I showed you how to edit your tags and your keywords for BitChute to make it more to increase the chances of this video going viral. I'm gonna link that video down below. I hope you learned something today. By the way, let me know in the comments below if you have used CB Snooper before and what is your point of view about this tool. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I have another video, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.